Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how we can log in to Monopoly Go. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open it. Next, you have to click on I agree. There you will see play with friends option. You have to click on that and confirm. After that, click on OK. Again, you have to click on load account. Now your account is ready to play. So this is how you log into Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.